For our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week, we wanted to highlight the Playwright Test extension for VS Code. Now, Playwright is a library developed by Microsoft that kind of fills the same niche as Selenium. This is a tool that can automate browsers and gives you a way to write code to automate those browsers. Very useful for tests. Another example in this space would be, of course I say that in Cypress. There we go. Cypress.io. All kind of fulfilling the same thing written in different languages. One thing I personally love about Playwright is they do have a Java library. I did a little bit of playing around with it, but never bundled it up in integrating it with CFML. So that's kind of fun that you can run a TestBox test and start up a browser and do actual browser testing just using TestBox and CFML. Now, this Playwright Test extension for VS Code lets you run the tests inside of your editor. It lets you, gives you little icons on the side that you can use to run it or to see which ones are running and passed or failed. It helps you record new tests or explore selectors. So one thing with these tests is you have to say, this is the DOM element I want to see or to click or to do something. So it has, jQuery-like selectors, and it will help you tune those selectors. So that is out on VS Code. You can install it, Playwright Test. And I hope that we can do some more playing around getting this like a test box driver or something, so that it's easier for all of us to write these tests. Because sometimes you just got to go to the browser, Even if a lot of the clients I work for, we have like one or two of these tests. Most are lower level, but we just want to make sure that everything works or that the big sign-up flow works, or especially like credit card flows, just make sure it works and doesn't break, kind of smoke tests. So
there's the unit test and the integration test, and then there's the, oh my gosh, does the page just work test. So.
Right. Awesome.
That was our VS Code hint, tip, and trick of the week. Brought to you by Modernize or Die Podcast, CFML News Edition, proudly sponsored by Order Solutions. You can see the new episodes every week on cfmlnews.modernizeordie.io or on the Order Solutions YouTube channel.